Hey, HIST 101 students, Professor Lori Benelou here. I will be your instructor for the next 5.5 weeks. Excited to kick off the first semester of 2021 with you. And just want to give you a sneak peek as to what's going on in Unit 1. Okay, so my office hour chat schedule for the first week is as follows. Mondays, I will always have office hours. So Monday, January 4th, I will have my office hour from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's the usual time I hold office hours on Mondays. It's a great time to stop by, say hello, and ask any questions you may be having. I will answer you quickly. Either email me or contact me through the CTU Messenger. Okay, so that's Monday, January 4th. Tuesday, which would be January 5th, we have our first chat. Please check the classroom for that time and all of that, those details. All right, so your Unit 1 due dates are as follows, my wonderful students. You will have two things due on Friday, which will be January 8th. On January 8th, you will have your Unit 1 discussion board due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And also on January 8th, you will have your Unit 1 determined knowledge. Every Friday, your determined knowledge will be due, and that will allow the system to create the learning path or nodes that you will have to complete for the Tuesday IntelliPath deadline. And we'll be going over this during our first chat on January 5th. Okay, so also on, again, January 8th, which is Friday, you will have your Unit 1 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday, January 12th, you will have your Unit 1 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And of course, I will explain things in much more detail during our first chat, which will be held on January 5th, Tuesday, January 5th. Can't wait to hold that chat. There's so many interesting things to go over. Of course, I will be introducing the course, and then I will be launching into Unit 1 materials, which is so much fun. We have the Cold War to go over, the events of the 1950s, lots to cover and lots of interesting things to discuss. So I can't wait to kick off the semester and meet you in Chat 1 on January 5th. Have a wonderful week, everybody.